Hello, everyone. This is Dr. Jacobs today. We're diving into the top 10 foods you should be eating daily to fight inflammation. 1. Leafy greens like spinach and kale pack a punch with antioxidants. 2. Berries, especially blueberries, have proven anti-inflammatory properties. 3. Fatty fish like salmon is your omega-3 powerhouse. 4. Nuts and seeds are loaded with healthy fats and fiber. 5. Olive oil is a staple of the Mediterranean diet for a reason. 6. Turmeric is a spice that's as powerful as it is vibrant. 7. Garlic not only adds flavor but also helps reduce inflammation. 8. Ginger is great in tea and fantastic for your joints. 9. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a known inflammation fighter. 10. Green tea is a soothing drink with numerous health benefits. Studies show these foods can significantly reduce inflammation and improve overall health. For more tips and delicious recipes, check out my book, Eat to Heal. It's packed with practical advice to help you live your healthiest life. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.